In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up rules in Cursor AI so you can give the editor your own preferences, keep your workflow consistent, and make the AI respond the way you want every time. If you work in Cursor often, this is one of the simplest ways to save time and reduce repetitive prompting. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor and look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the gear icon, which is the settings button. Click that gear icon to open the main settings menu. Once the settings panel appears, find and click the tab labeled Rules, Agents, and Subagents. This is where Cursor keeps the controls for customizing how the AI behaves across your workspace. Next, navigate to the Rules section. This is the area where you can define your global preferences, meaning the instructions you want Cursor to follow more consistently. In the text box, type in the rules you want Cursor to remember. These can include your coding style, formatting preferences, naming conventions, response behavior, or any other guidance you want the AI to follow while helping you. For example, you might want Cursor to write cleaner code, avoid unnecessary comments, use a specific language style, or always keep responses short and direct. The goal here is to make Cursor work the way you work. Take a moment to think about the kinds of tasks you do most often, and then write rules that support those tasks. The clearer your rules are, the better Cursor can adapt to your workflow. After you finish typing your preferences, make sure you click Done to confirm the edits. This saves your rules and applies them to your Cursor setup. From that point on, Cursor will have your custom instructions available whenever you use it, which can make your editing and coding sessions much more efficient. If you ever want to refine your setup later, you can always come back to the same settings area and update the rules again. That's really the beauty of this feature. It gives you a flexible way to teach Cursor how you want to work without having to repeat yourself every time. So just to recap, open the gear icon, go to Rules, Agents, and Subagents, enter your global preferences, and click Done. That's all it takes to set up rules in Cursor AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.